Wow. No, but I can try here, right? Little bit. Wow, folks. And this is pink salt, a mountain in Rajasthan. Wow. Wow. It's the
This is the black salt.
black salt. And you can put it in salad and
Okay. Yes. Yes, you can put and also you can put it.
both.
Both are put in.
Oh.
Both are very delicious in food.
In food.
Yes.
And good for digestion.
Good for digestion also and good for the health.
Health.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Both
Very
it is
kind.
found in this both of us.
Only in India you can
Yes,
find
yes.
this. Look at this. Pink salt. And where is the black salt? Here? In here? Oh, look at this black salt, folks. That's the black salt. All natural.
All natural. ये वो भी natural है ये
Oh, like a stone.
crystal.
Crystal. Wow. But everyone can break it? No.
हाँ break it powder.
Powder.
हाँ फिर
Crushing.
crushing mixing grinder में
Grinder.
हाँ powder होता है.
You don't have a grinder, right?
Uh.
No grinder. Wow, look at this. Black salt, pink salt. Magic. Indian businessman. Huh? Mountains of pink salt and also the black salt. How are you, sir?
How are you?
Very good. Thank you. I was lucky to have some salt. Luckily, I was carrying this bottle actually, and then take it on here.
ये black salt.
Oh, the black salt. Look at this. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you. I've got the black salt. This would cost about. This little bottle would cost me about at least 10-15 rupees. No, 10-15 pounds. 120 kilo. Black salt. Pink salt is 80 rupees a kilo instead. Look at this. Magic. India.